This is how to limit WooCommerce orders to specific countries. Start in your WordPress dashboard by going to WooCommerce, then Settings. The General tab at the top takes you where you need to go. Scroll down and you'll find the Selling Locations section. Here's where it gets interesting. That drop-down menu next to Selling Locations has 3 choices, but Sell to Specific Countries is the one you want. Click that option and watch a new field pop up called Selling Location Countries. This is where you get to be picky about your customer base. Click inside and the country selection opens up. Start typing any country name and it narrows down the list instantly. Click the countries you want to allow and they show up as little tags. Changed your mind about a country? Just click the X next to it. Now, shipping locations work a bit differently, and this part trips people up sometimes. Find the shipping location section right below where you just were. This controls your actual shipping destinations, which might be more limited than where you allow sales. Click that drop-down and choose Ship to Specific Countries Only. Another country field appears, and this is where you add only the places you actually want to ship to. Keep this simple rule in mind. Your shipping countries should match your selling countries or be fewer. You can't ship somewhere you don't allow sales from. Save your changes at the bottom, then test this out by looking at your store like a customer would. Head to your checkout page and check the country drop-down in the billing section. You should only see your selected countries there. Your store now operates exactly within the boundaries you set, giving you full control over who can buy and where you ship.